Hey, how are you guys doing? I'm Christian here, aka Sleep Money Profit, and today we're going to be talking about exactly how you can use the MetaTrader 4 app. Now, if you never used this app before, this is the money app. This is the app that people use to actually do leverage trading, okay? So you could download this in the Play Store. You could download this in the App Store, but whatever phone you're on, right now I'm on Android. We're gonna go ahead and get straight into how you can use this app. So go ahead and tap the app, and what it's gonna do is gonna bring you to all of your quotes. It's gonna show you all the pairs that you have on your screen, and if you have an account with a broker and you want to connect it to your MetaTrader 4, all you have to do is actually tap the top left icon and press manage accounts, and what it's going to do is going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. And if you want to add your account, all you have to do is press the plus button and log into this account or open a demo account, okay? So that's how you're going to be able to get access to all the things I'm going to be able to discuss right now. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how you can actually see your charts, and that's by pressing the second icon on the bottom. It's going to bring up the chart. You can use indicators by pressing the F, and this is where it's going to show you everything that you need to use for charts as far as on the MetaTrader 4 app. And if you want to see your trades, you can actually go ahead and press the third icon. We don't have any trades active right now, but I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually take a trade as well. And you can also view your trade history by clicking the fourth icon, which will be right here. So let's say we wanted to take a trade, right, on, I don't know, AUDCAD. What you would do is you would tap the icon. Actually, let me pause. So once you're on this screen, it's actually going to bring you to the quotes. On this screen, after you logged in, you're going to be able to add any pair that you want. Right now, I'm going to go over a Forex example because I'm logged in on an MT4 demo, and there's going to be other currency pairs here like indices, stocks, though Forex, all of those things are going to be there. For this example, I'm going to choose a Forex pair, and you could type in any pair, for example, like the Great British Pound versus the Japanese Yen. You can enter that in here, and what it's going to do is after you tap it, it's going to add it to the screen. And what you can do is you can actually tap it to take a trade. But before I get into that, I'm actually going to show you where you can find your charts on MetaTrader 4. And that's going to be at the second set alerts. You can do all different types of things on the MetaTrader 4 charts. I'm not going to go too in depth right now. And you can also bring up your trades right here. This is going to show you your active trades. The third icon and the fourth icon is going to show you your trading history as well, right? So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the close screen by clicking the bottom left icon. And what I'm going to do is actually go on the pair that we just added. And what I'm going to do is actually press new order. Now you can open the chart, view the symbol properties, or view it in simple mode, which is actually going to remove some things so it can actually be easier to view. But right now I'm going to show you exactly how you can take a buy or sell on MetaTrader 4. So what you want to do is press new order on the currency pair that you're trying to take the trade from. And what it's going to do is going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. Now, I have a video explaining exactly how lot sizes work, stop loss, take profit, but I'm going to show you exactly where everything is. I'm not going to explain exactly how it works. I have videos for that you can tune into. I'll link them in the description for you. But you can type your lot size in 0.01, 0.02, or whatever. You can actually choose how you want to take the trade. It could be an instant execution trade, or it could be a buy sell limit, or a buy or sell stop. If you don't know what that is, I got videos for you. I'm not going to go into it right now. This video is just going to cover exactly how to everything, not what everything is on the app. You can also change your stop loss in this red box right here on the bottom left, right here. You could tap the price. You could tap the plus or the minus button to actually just make it jump to price and then enter it from there. And once you do that, hold on. And once you take the trade, it's going to say order is open. And on your trade screen, as you can see, your trade is active, right? So right now I'm in the negative $1.46 on the Great British Pound, Japanese yen. Let's say I were to want to close this order, right? So what I can actually do is close this order